A very good morning, children. Welcome to online class from Sheba Group of Schools. I am so excited to take the class today. Let's move our class. Today's subject is Maths. In Maths, we can see the topic about patterns. Patterns, a pattern is formed when objects, events and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way. Again, I tell you, a pattern is formed when objects, events and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way. Pattern is nothing but they come with the objects, any things or events and numbers. They have to combine with the repeated. Repeated uniformly means is samely come with a patterns. For example, I will show you the chessboard. They give the same square boxes but in a different colors. This is one of the pattern model, and this you have to look this black pole and black stripes and black pole and black stripes. They have to come with a pattern model. You have to see this mark. This is also one of the patterns. You have to see the patterns model in your playthings and your mom's sarees and building blocks. You have to same like a patterns model. For then you have to types of patterns. There are two types of pattern. They are growing pattern and repeated pattern. What are the types, ma? There are two types of patterns. They are growing patterns and repeated pattern. Let's see about the growing patterns. If some patterns and designs increase or grow with straight lines and geometrical forms, they are called growing patterns. Patterns is nothing but the pattern will be a growth. For example, in number patterns means you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be a growing. So it is a growing pattern. Then you have to draw the shape. Some shapes means you have to if some one square means you have to draw the 2 squares and 3 squares. That is a growing pattern for using the shapes. I will show some examples here. I will draw it in the arrow marks. 1 up arrow and 2 up arrows, then 3 up arrows. Then you can draw the 4 up arrows here. So it is a growing pattern. Okay. Next you can see 1 circle and 2 circle and 3 circle. Next you can draw the 4 circle here because it is a growing pattern. Next you can see the here 2 square box, 4 square box and 6 square box. In this square box, we have to write in the even numbers ways. So, 2, 4, 6. Next, you have to come with the 8 even numbers. So, you can draw the 8 square boxes here. Because of it is a growing pattern. Are you clear, children? This is a growing pattern model. Again, I will tell you, if some patterns and designs increase means it will be a increased or grow. Yeah, this is the same word but it will be different from the words with straight lines and geometrical shapes. There will be a patterns will be creating using straight lines and geometrical forms. They are called growing patterns. Next we can see about repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. You can see the growing patterns, no ma? It will be become a straight lines and geometrical shapes. They have to create a growing pattern. And similarly, repeated pattern also same like that. But only the differences of growing patterns and repeated patterns, it will be a growing patterns will be a grow. And repeated patterns will be a repeat. This is the similar difference of these two patterns. For example, you can see this one. 1 up arrow and 1 down arrow, 1 up arrow, 1 down arrow, and again you can draw 1 up arrow and 1 down arrow because it is a repeated pattern. Next, see this shapes: triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle and square. Then you can draw triangle, circle and square because it is a repeated pattern. Once again I will tell you repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, They are called repeated patterns. Let's see about the creating pattern from straight lines. You can draw the patterns by using a straight lines. You see these models, these are the models of straight lines. You can see in your home you have to see the marbles, granite marbles, anything, mosaic tiles. You can see this type of designs you can see saw in the tiles. Then you have to wear the sarees and block models, anything you have to see the straight line models. For example, you can see this one of the straight line and two straight lines joined together, one single line and two straight lines. Then you have to continue with one straight line. Next you can see one single line and two straight lines touch each other and three straight lines joined together. This will become a shape of triangle. Okay, next you can see same repeated shapes will be come. These lines and again two lines, again it will become a triangle shape because it is also a repeated pattern by using a straight lines. Again you can see this one single line and two lines and three lines and fourth line you can touch in the shape of square. Next you can see same repeated patterns will become, so it will become a square shape here. So these are the patterns by using a straight lines. In these patterns we can see about another topic, means symmetry. Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in the some way, turn, flip or slide. Symmetry is nothing but you have to shape because you have to create your own picture, means it will become off, means it will become a same figure. For example, I will take some bit of paper and put one drop of ink here and I have to press in the folder in the paper. You see? Okay. I will just open the figure. You can see some pictures are here, no, and it will be paper will be tear, means it cut it into the half of the figure. So this is the symmetry shapes. And you can see another lines, the line which divides the figure into two exact of is called the line of symmetry. If you draw some pictures, means it will be you can put the single line in the center of the figure. That is called a line of symmetry. The picture will be divided into two parts. Okay. Again I tell you, symmetry. Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in the some way, turn, flip or slide. Then the line which divides the figure into two exact of is called the line of symmetry. Next you can see some examples here. I will write in the some alphabet letters. How will you draw the symmetry, line of symmetry? You can draw it in the alphabet here. Here it's a having, you can draw the line of the center A. So it will be split into two figures. Then B, you can draw a line here, means the line will become a two figures. The picture will become a two figures. And C also have to put a line. Then C will become a two figures. Okay, this is the line of symmetry. Next you can see about symmetrical shapes. Symmetrical shapes nothing but you can, here I am using alphabet, no. Symmetrical shapes means you can using a shape and cut it in the figures. So if a shape can be folded or divided into half, so that the two half match exactly, then such a shape is called a symmetric shapes. I told you, no children, the shape வந்து நம்ம ரெண்டா டிவைட் பண்ணனா half half பிரிச்சோனா அந்த ஷேப் ரெண்டுமே எப்படி இருக்கும், ஈக்குவல் பார்ட்ஸா இருக்கும். ரெண்டுமே நம்ம ஜாயின் பண்ணாலும் சேம் ஃபிகரா தெரியும், நம்ம ரெண்டா அந்த பார்ட்ஸை பிரிச்சாலும் another different shape தெரியும். ஓகேங்களா? This is a symmetrical shapes. I give some examples here, triangle, square and circle. I just put a line and split it the shapes. See, in triangle I am having, I put the line here, the triangle will be cut into two figures. Okay, next square is having, I will cut it in the figure into two half. The square will be divided into two parts. And circle, you have to cut it in the circle. The circle will be divided into two of the figures. Again I tell you, symmetrical shapes, if a shape can be folded or divided into half, so that the two halves match exactly, then such a shape is called symmetric shapes. I will show it in the another shapes also. I will show some shapes here. How would you display it? Circle. So here circle having, I will put it in the scale in the center piece. The circle will be divided into two parts. Again square also having, I am keeping a put a line in the square center. Then square will be divided into two parts. And triangle having, in triangle also I keep it in the center points. Triangle will be divided into two figures. And then rectangle also divided into two figures. And then pentagon also divided into two parts. And ellipse also divided into two parts. And hexagon also divided into only this way, or also this lines also have to split it into hexagon. And rhombus also you can split it in this way, and also this way you can put the line. Okay, are you clear children? Okay, what are the topics you can see here children? Patterns. What are the two types of patterns? Growing pattern and repeated pattern. How could you draw the patterns also? And then you have to see about the symmetry. You can create your own pictures and you can draw the some shapes here. And also you have to this pages you have to see here. They give the half of the figure you can giving, and you can draw the other half picture also. Okay, clear children? I hope that everyone should understand the topics. Meet you in the next class. Thank you student.